No tax on overtime. Sounds like your overtime pay is now tax-free. It's not, and there's one detail almost everyone gets wrong. Here it is in 60 seconds. It's not a tax exemption, it's a deduction. From 2025 through 2028, eligible workers can deduct up to $12,500 of overtime from their federal taxable income, or $25,000 if you're married filing jointly. Here's the big one. It's not your whole overtime check, only the premium counts, the extra half in time and a half. So if your normal rate is $20 an hour and overtime pays $30, only the extra $10 per hour qualifies, not the full $30. And it only counts as overtime under federal law, which is time and a half after 40 hours in a week. Also, the deduction's available whether you itemize or take the standard deduction. It phases out once you earn over $150,000 or $300,000 if you're married filing jointly. I'm Christian with Swole Tax. Scheme Tax is simple, clean, and stress-free.